We're honored to be a part of this special celebration, and we're excited to meet all of you guys. I guess we've got people coming from all over, not just the country, but the world. That little bit of water helps to slow down the cooking a little bit and helps me break this sausage up into small pieces, which in this filling is really important. So I'm putting a little dollop of this breadcrumb on each of these mushrooms. I'm going to put that in my preheated oven. Gorgeous, golden brown, crispy on the top, nice and tender. The mushrooms are cooked.
It's crazy weird to have you all in the same place as me when none of you are actually in the same place as me. But it's actually such a bonus. Actually, the one probably upside of the pandemic is we learned how to do this. And now I have people in London and people in California and people around the corner all here with me at the same time.
And welcome to the world's most non-traditional shower. We're super disappointed that we didn't get to have the real shower last year, but excited that we found a fun way to celebrate virtually.
Congratulations, Erica and Nick. The Chopping Block is so excited to be a part of your special day. Thank you for letting us meet your friends and family in your shower today. As Eleen mentioned, my name is Andrea, and I will be your moderator this afternoon, helping to guide you through today's very fun party.
What I'm doing is I'm just keeping my knife on the fleshy part, and I'm really just kind of cutting this whole center part out like so.
Because when I went to the store yesterday to get the avocados, and I was squeezing all of them, and I saw this girl picking all the stems off, and I was like, what is she doing? But now I understand.
Thank you so much for letting me be a part of this special event. I hope you were able to learn a few tips and tricks, and you have fun making more cocktails and guacamole in the future.
Always want to go to the chopping block with me. So now you get to go to the chopping block in your own house. I wanted to do a toast to you, to all of our friends and family. We love you all so much, and thank you for sharing our first anniversary with us.
So the reason why we add our citrus or even a stock or anything like that is to help stop the browning, but also make it more of a sauce-like consistency.
So thank you all so much again. And Lisa, this was just fabulous. This was so fun and a perfect way for the two of us to celebrate our anniversary with our friends and family.
I want to teach you guys how to cook your own pork, right? I want you to be happy with your end result. So ask me those questions that you need to know. I like to dress the bowl, but not the actual salad. So by pouring this around the side of my bowl, it's going to creep down. So when I go to toss this, it's going to be nice and evenly coated without bogging down any of my produce. This is awesome. You guys have been so great. I hope you're having fun. I know I am. We're this close to eating. Who's excited? Can you believe we made all this food in an hour and a half? So when you're using your knife, you always want to start with your tip down. You want to gently push forward and down at the same time. And it's this constant rocking motion that the motion's all in the wrist.
Lisa, while you're grilling those, I'm going to ask our next question, which is, would you rather see, if you're seeing into the future, would you rather see your future or someone else's future? You guys have chosen a delicious tapas menu today. And I know that those of you that are cooking along with us will have an absolutely delicious meal at the end of this. And those of you that are not, you'll be able to get the recording so that you can make this meal again on your own time.
That one.
It's beautiful.
This one's cute.
That looks good.
Excellent.
You did it.
Thank you so much, Chopping Block. Thank you. That was amazing. And thank you to everyone that has joined us this evening.
We appreciate all of your support. We hope to see you again sometime, whether it's in person or virtually.